Okay, it's September and some of you are super ambitious. You're determined that this year you're going to nail the work-life balance thing with your family. I'm here to help you from making the biggest mistake that I see so many people making, and I'm going to tell you 3 things that you need to do. Don't assume that you and your entire family are going to be completely different people with all new habits this year. Even if you think, no, you don't understand. We found the perfect apps. We have the best whiteboard system in the world. Yeah, nope. You need to do 3 things. Number 1, get clarity before you start on what work-life balance looks like to you. And I don't mean in a perfect scenario. I mean when shit from work goes crazy or when your kids might suddenly need you more than expected. 2, you're going to focus on one habit at a time. I know some of you are feeling extreme resistance and you want to change all of the things at once, but how did that work out for you last time? Not so well? Yeah, that's what I thought. Once you've got the first habit nailed, you can focus on the second one. Number 3, manage your mind. People with an organized life have an organized, managed mind. They're not wasting time and energy with stress and mind drama. This is a skill that can be learned. It's a total game changer. It's going to make every situation easier than it would be otherwise, and it's going to be easier to get to clarity no matter what comes up. So you've got this. Don't try and be a perfectionist. Don't try and change everything at once and do all of the things. This year can be different because you're going to focus.